So Miss Kiwi and I are shopping at Target, but a big thunderstorm started outside while we were inside. She's never heard a thunderstorm inside a department store before, and it's pretty noisy in here. So we have decided to bring her someplace where the noise is dampened a bit. We've brought her over by the televisions. She likes to watch TV anyway, and it's dampening the noise slightly, so we can have some success doing things like touch. Good girl. And fun behaviors like say hello. Good girl. And this one's a little harder. Down. Asking for a little too much, I think. Stay. Good stay. Nice job. Let's see a little bit of tension on her face and her eyes and panting. It's not normal for her, honestly. Just checking out a person. Heel. Let's go. Good girl. Sit. Yes, I know. Good job.